Hey mate, how are you? Sorry? Yeah, not too bad actually. Holding up. Things are good. I had about 6 hours. only started while I was doing around about 4 o'clock last night, so because I was just hanging around and chatting with people and doing that kind of stuff, I thought, oh, I might as well kick in and do something.
But we are really foundation. You really interesting.
Bit of both. So I'm just making sure that all the facility stuff sorted out. Patrick's been doing a lot of the job on the Anki stuff. Louie's been helping out in terms of getting people in and out of the building and roving and supporting Patrick, taking photos and stuff like that. So today, I'm probably going to need to be doing some stuff around just making sure that we've got all the video where they need to be, all the submission stuff. Patrick, hopefully, I've got enough there for Patrick and Louis to do all the videoing and presentations and stuff like that this morning. I don't have a name for it yet. We'll figure out one. Yeah, it'd be a team thing. So even though at the moment I've done most of the tech work, but Louis put some stuff in there. Patrick's going to do a lot of it because I know that I was actually going to be probably more busy putting all the cats around getting everyone's presentations together. So we can then ship them up, present them, and all that kind of stuff. Then that's the I'm going to be helping Mark White out in help organising that side. So we're going to get locally in this office. We're probably going to get about 6 hacks all up. There's probably about 20 or 25 people in here. It's a bit weird because we haven't seen much from the remote people, so that's a bit disappointing because we're not seeing that. And even when we actually reached out, hey, call out. There's been only a few people. There's only been 2 people from Sydney that said, hey, trying to participate remotely. So, yeah, I don't think cancelling Sydney has helped those people. But I know situations the way it is.
The code is web friendly, and you don't need to understand telemetry to build a powerful communications application. The Cisco Spark API. Cisco's business.
Learning about the kid.
Designed for it.
Learning about
all of the features you'd expect.
What Patrick needs to do and just to run it. That's been really good, and listening to the story. So Louis been listening to a lot of that stuff that Patrick's been talking about, so he's been driving that conversation as well. So, but I've got very good, I'm getting a good understanding as far as what the technical kit behind it, around what John's got there, the images, all the exploration stuff, and sitting there and figuring what all the moving parts that break or could break. And the pie face works a treat.
Excellent documentation.
Oh, he was a happy little boy yesterday. Because just resetting things and just understanding the status of whether the drone's actually connected, not connected, all those kind of things. Yeah, visibility, right?
$1,000.
Yeah.
The best project that uses one of our APIs.
That's okay.
$1,000 goes to most innovative use of our APIs. And we have another $6,000 for smaller projects, for other types of API usage.
Yeah, so you do get the automated
messaging working on the project.
So if guarding does come off the track, I'm not going to change it. So you might get a few messages through the day.
All of the Cisco APIs are easy to sign up for and easy to use. So give them a try, learn some new things, and some surprises. Good luck and happy hacking.
You can blame Patrick for that because he talked about some of the iTech today. I think so we appreciate the team Nick for the night.
That's why he was created Matrix. Matrix is persistent communication for the right people.
Yeah, exactly.
You can use Matrix for group chat, voice signaling.
Yeah, so they should be arriving in the next 10 minutes.
Fragmented silos of communication.
Yeah, okay.
Matrix itself is open standard, but we have also created several open source SDKs.
Thanks, mate.
There's a React SDK for the web,
Android and iOS SDKs for mobiles, and a Node.js library for connecting other services via the Matrix Application Service API. In the Matrix ecosystem, anyone can run their own server, and you can also anytime encrypt your data using the Ohm and Megohm ratchets. The Matrix ecosystem has been growing for 2 years. Recently, we launched Riot, a feature-rich Matrix client as an open-source alternative to other proprietary services. Several people have also contributed by writing clients, servers, SDKs, bridges to external services, and bots. The common factor of all these apps is that they can all talk to each other. We also extended our work into existing services via bridges, which means, for example, that a user on Slack can talk to a user on Rocket Chat via Matrix without realizing or needing to realize it. Matrix uses the concept of rooms for both one-to-one and group communication. When you send a message to a room in Matrix, each user in that room is sent a copy of that message. However, different users can be located on different home servers, so the servers exchange their data on a need-to-know basis. All the servers that have a user in a room will now have a copy of the conversation in that room. There is no single main server, and the room doesn't belong to any one server. It belongs to multiple servers, and it does not go away even if one of the servers is temporarily unavailable. For example, if you run or even write your own server, it will exchange and persist the data for all the rooms your users are in, but not for any other rooms. While we have focused on fixing the very fragmented state of online communication, Matrix can send any kind of data. Really, we're just exchanging blocks of JSON over the internet. The Matrix stack defines data types, such as text, images, video, and audio. One call use WebRTC with Matrix initializing the call. For conference calls, you can connect to a service like FreeSwitch via the Matrix Application Service API. However, Matrix can also be used for more than human communication. You control the drone remotely by sending the commands in Matrix. We send MIDI data to enable remote playback. And we send sensor information from the card to a real-time diagnostics room. On the previous side, we have
So, yeah, yesterday that was what you saw Jason was. So he's working on that. I've finished going through trying to come against the trying to utilise the APIs. Can work for us.
We've got lots of other ideas you might want to
Probably got to go this way because I'm not sure to take that to John. So that because I think John's going to do also. So we'll have to
and of course, we're excited to find out how you're on with
a couple of gaps. So
So
we're going to kick off here this morning. Most people do that at 9 o'clock. Don't start that. My phone back there. Actually, I'm going to find tomorrow morning. So I'm going to stay the night over at the cousins. I'll go and see them tonight. I've caught up with most evenings, but I thought I'll find another evening and then fly back tonight. Yeah. I think, because I said, I reckon I'll probably get in the office at like around 12:30 or something like that. So, oh, are you really? Right, I think I'm like that. Oh, gee, it's almost like a float hop in the same plane. Whereas I reckon whether like an 840 or something like that, or something like that. So it's something that's, yeah, I'm sure it's very similar to the time. So I'll look out for the arrivals of the other place. You're here tomorrow. Have you been to this office yet? Oh, yeah. Yep. Yes. So I'm actually here right now with Jason too. I'm going to see you.
What's up?
For Franco. Oh, here. I'll put you on loudspeaker.
Yep.
It's Franco.
Yep.
He said there's a problem with Guardian.
Yeah, exactly.
Is there a chance we could actually get
audio interview for my radio show this week today.
We could do one later today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Between you guys.
Yeah.
And I said to Patrick, worst case scenario. I mean, and it's like, you know, what is TADHack? What did you guys do at it? You talk about the Yankee, and then you go, did you guys do anything extra at actually thinking you can talk about your little demo and how you script me driving around?
Freaked him out. Yeah. Yeah, no, that's cool. We can do that.
Okay. And you won't be around tomorrow, Jason, because you'll be on leave.
Yeah, on leave for the next
Okay.
5 days.
If someone could just email the MP3 to me, that would be good.
Yeah. Yeah, that's cool.
Or MA4 or whatever format it is.
Yep. Easy. I'll just do it off my phone like I did with Peter, and I'll email it to you.
Yeah. Excellent.
That's easy.
Whatever you've got will be good.
Okay. Cool.
Okay, guys. Have a good one.
All right, Freaky.
Cheers.
You too, mate. Take it easy.
I'll be watching you guys on the live stream in about a half an hour.
Okay. Cool.
All right.
Okay. Cheers, mate.
I better get dressed. He says to me, I'm driving along. He said, it's so about you can't go off the track. He goes, I don't know what to think. He says, I'm looking up in the sky. He says, I said, well, I may have heard a story about Nick Everett getting lots of messages yesterday. I said, yeah, we'll include Franco on this. It's just so funny. So, yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
You're up and into it, are we?
Oh, yeah.
Good on you. Good on you. So who's talking?
Oh, that's just the webcast. I was just testing the audio.
Yeah, so he's here tomorrow, Franco.
Yeah.
We passed each other at the airport, basically. If I'm correct, I'm just going to check it now because it's on the phone. But I think my flight.
Yep. Man, this is really easy. This Stream Explorer stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
8:25. He lands at 8:20, and my plane takes off at 8:25. So
Ships in the night.
yeah, we're not obviously in the same. It's not like, because sometimes a plane will come into Adelaide. It'll be exactly the same plane that turns around and goes back.
Yeah.
But obviously not in this case. This is. Unless he's got his arrival time wrong. But
So eventually, it should.
Morning.
How are you?
Very good, and yourself?
Yeah, good thanks. How was dinner last night?
Yeah, nice.
Yeah?
Yeah, cousin's always good. So,
Very
yeah, always good value. Auntie, mate, my auntie cooks for me, so she does a good, she's not a bad cook.
Right, okay.
Right, you know. Cool.
So you got progress last night?
Yeah, early morning. Last time. Yeah. So I was thinking,
Yeah.
if I, from here, from this Sunoco,
Yep.
which I'm using to send all the information
Right.
off,
Yeah.
what if I what do we do? What do I ship some?
Nothing database. Yeah. So what kind of information do you generate? So that's completely different. This is pretty much same thing, but you move into there. The process have
The process does so instead of triggering back to the drone,
Yeah.
I've got this whole process that kicks off.
right, and that's
So-
one of the initiate the phone call.
So that one initiates a phone call.
Yeah.
I've actually got a business role now.
Right, okay.
So if it's hey Ma. Okay, I'll come down. Cheers. So what I do,
Yeah.
if thermo goes off,
Right.
it's my phone.
Okay.
If ground shock goes off,
Yeah.
it's actually your phone.
Okay.
Guardian is Franco's phone.
Okay. Yes, Franco's rang me this morning.
Oh, you did?
He goes, I'm driving along.
Yeah.
He said this message, Guardian off the track or something like that.
Yeah.
And he says, thinking, what's going on? And he sent a message, you know,
Right. I got one this morning too.
and he looks up and he's like, he says, is it sky falling? Is
Right. Yes. My message was something about it's off track. Place the car back on the track or something.
He's like,
There must be something from Jason.
yeah, he
So there you go.
good morning, mate.
So whenever
Mark.
good morning, when we get a crash that triggers off that,
I'm good crashing. I did that yesterday.
I know. So what we did, was actually I hooked up our workflow in the cloud,
Yep.
our process cloud, to it.
Okay.
So we've got a whole bunch of workflow things happening
Yeah.
in terms of human workflow. It automatically then triggers using Tropo a message saying, hey, this car has come off the track. And I've actually got a business role, right? So Thermo's me.
Yeah.
With it's police, right? So Thermo's me. Guardian is Franco.
Right.
Ground shock is Louis, and the other one I couldn't remember what the name was. Just defaulted back to me as a
Right.
business role.
Right.
Right. So Franco, I tested it all, not through here, but through the REST API at home. Franco got this. He freaked out because it was driving. Guys, I've cut off the road.
So is it a call or a text message?
It's a call.
Awesome. You got, I mean, the other thing is to sort of.
Oh, it actually calls it.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm
Can you make like a
text.
little video so we can show for everyone else?
Yeah.
Now, did you guys have a look at what was going on overnight in it was like Moscow and Islamabad and Colombo? They had about 300. I overstated. I mean, Lisbon was pretty big too.
Yeah.
They had one in London.
Yeah.
I was getting text messages saying, I'm waving to Mark White, he's not waving back.
Oh yeah, I
I
saw that tweet.
Yeah. I'm like, sorry, James, but you probably was watching a video from this morning. So here's the other question. When we do the recording, we actually have, it's not the same office stream, we set up a different stream for it, so we just got a recording of just the pictures.
Yeah. So it does the call, but also I've got a separate one that sets up almost like a marketing feed. So I've got a human workflow form, says, okay, here's the card, here's the message that you want to send, hit send, it actually sends right to the intent.
How are you going to demonstrate all that in 3 minutes?
Demonstrate?
Yeah.
We're going to do some video and stuff like that.
That's what the guys did last year, so it was just all videos. It was weird when they presented it, they had like videos and stuff that we can see. We might even, I was just thinking today, we might also have fun a little bit with the pictures. We might try and have like just a little bit close, maybe even just take that front table.
Yeah.
And just push it in a bit.
Yeah.
So just so we want to make sure we can capture whatever's being displayed on the screen.
Yeah. Yeah.
I was also going to try.
So we can bring down the blinds a little bit more, so it creates a darker.
I think for the presentation,
For the
it'll make sense.
presentation, yeah.
And I also wouldn't mind even just trying doing a test stream or test recording.
Yep.
Using that's a pretty old laptop. So we're gonna try to develop one for the actual things.
Yep.
But no, it's good. And you clearly bloody good job keeping everything tidy.
Well, it was already clean.
I actually found a wiping thing and there was a few spills.
Yeah, I saw some tomato.
Yeah. I got rid of
Actually, you want me to put it in the back, so it's no mind.
In the back, in the cupboard?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Hey Jason.
Yeah, mate.
New milk.
Yes, new milk.
You go you replace that.
Yeah, I do. It's not quite down to that. Sorry, mate?
We're gonna do one up after this.
Yes, we do. Okay, so capital T, lowercase g, uppercase U, then D, so lowercase d, lowercase t, uppercase.
Sorry, TD or DT?
DT, sorry. Uppercase Z, uppercase C, and number 9. Yes. Yeah.
Hey, we just think that you guys call the chit chat, maybe we want to 5 minutes of meetings, we should actually have, like they say.
So Frank heard that one, he was wrong. I did have a chat with them yesterday.
Well, we don't encourage them, but
Yeah, so for the purposes of the name, they're willing to call it chit chat.
Yeah, their inside joke is chit chat.
Yeah.
Chit chat.
Chit chat.
Chit chat, chit chat's by the cheat shop.
So they'll
Oh, perfect. They're really good guys to have a note. Very encouraging guys.
Hello, this is Lee speaking. So can we try it?
I was going to say, I'm just about
Oh, yes,
to.
yes,
I've got it sitting up there.
Okay. It's online. I want to make sure that we're out and internet was working.
Someone there.
Yeah.
You want me? Okay.
Okay, thanks, Jace. Maybe if you don't there.
Yeah. Okay.
I get ready.
Today is just getting much done again, I think.
Cool. So you got the bones.
Yeah, we've kind of got the bones and our basic ideas there. So, yeah, I guess straight up this morning is get the idea of our two people in a room behind the scenes, and then get an audio call established.
Yeah. Okay. What we might do, we might keep that room. We're going. Patrick, I reckon we keep that room free. If people actually want to get into the room, just have some quiet time, if you fiddle and stuff or whatnot, then we'll keep that. We'll probably keep that free. Otherwise, we're going to get noise from people one and stuff close.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we just need to go downstairs, pick a quiet corner.
Yeah. Cool.
So who can use it? That you use?
So I reckon we use that if people want to have a space to actually, if there's any filming or videoing or stuff like that,
Okay.
that they can use that space. So.
Okay, but you can't, so you go.
Cool. Which ones?
Thermo and ground shock.
Not Guardian?
Well, actually, believe it or not, Guardian's the only one we don't have. Oh, no, put the Bluetooth stiffer on for Guardian because we're not using the drone here at all, are we now?
No.
Thermo has been detected coming off the track.
That's,
Please pick up your card and place it back on the track.
Oh, well, it just picked up then, did it?
no.
Oh,
Oh, it did. Anyway.
gee.
So that's the. Like, what? That's my test.
There you go.
How good is that?
Now, which ones do you have to go into you?
So I've got this ground shock's going to Louis.
Louis?
So Louis is going to get calls downstairs, and I'll get calls upstairs.
And it just rings the phone off and on ring.
Yeah.
No, let's have a go. We'll do that work with yourself again. We'll see it. That should work really quick. So your thermo?
Okay. And I'm also going to get a cue.
I'm also going to get a queue of just going. So about 10 seconds.
Detected coming off the track. Please pick up your car and place it back on the track.
Ground shot, and it says it's off. Ground shot.
So about 10 seconds. What is that actually going to get Louis to do? Because I can trigger when these things are firing. When do we get a message? When do we get that? We'll do some latency analytics.
Oh, okay.
Between each of the calls. Because then we get some traffic in there, we get some other stuff in there, and then we can track that in terms of performance across each of the cars, and then the network. And that'd be a nice look. That'd be a nice look. Okay. So I can do that without touching with that.
That was it then.
Yeah.
Realised it was off.
So I can do that without too much interference. We just need the track keep going through. I have positioned that camera over the truck, so I probably just want to keep that still as possible. Have to keep it close on the door. I could, because I moved the camera, I had to shot the wood, and I couldn't see the trigger. Oh, they get somewhere. He's only something else.
Oh, that's beautiful.
They'll watch it from home. Where's Daddy? What's he doing? Let's switch in.
It's not sound, it's the camera.
Oh, photo.
Did it ring it?
Yeah. Oh, missed call.
Oh, yeah, it's on. Yeah.
You flew one. It's like call breaking.
It is. Will it do if two cars came off fairly quickly, picking them both up? Like, or was it? Oh. It's zoom the race, zoom the race.
Still on it?
Yeah. That's the notice it start broadcast now?
Yes.
And it'll be using your roller, right?
So do you have to monitor for that? Yes. 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 Just launch the difficult card. Yep. Oh, so it needs to be against the right URL. So you should on the top now for language. Yeah. Yeah. Once you do that, you can then do it all. So
Thanks everybody, I'll be fine with it.
it is.
Okay, so good morning everyone, and welcome to TADHack Global live in Brisbane, Australia. We're just getting set up at the moment with web server community for offering hacking programs. We will be sharing with you all today, and we are getting ready for our pictures presentation that one for this afternoon. So, with that, we need to reach out to the afternoon Slack channel this morning. All of you said yesterday, and we'll also respond on email at TADHackBNE.com. It'll be fantastic second day here in Brisbane, and a lot of pictures of shape, racing cars, generating some new data, etc. And with that, and what fun, fantastic day, welcome to TADHack. So, on, that's just hopefully the wrong one. Yeah. You go in, you go in, it's not their own. Now that it's like go back to focus on it, you know, like once you stop the door, yeah, we'll have to.
Yeah. I'm not getting any phone calls.
Well, I went to Star Race and I wanted to see, I've got all 4.
Yep.
So I can have Guardian, so I just wanted to see this flash up, but it didn't show the thing. So let me just make sure.
Yeah, that's cool.
But Franco sent me a message. So he just sent me a message. He said, not funny. But then I noticed the dials weren't racing, so I thought, okay, I'll restart the race. And his daughter to answer, and I'll tell her, just say it's the all-seeing oracle sending you messages. So. Expect a message, expect a phone call. Oh, this is good.
Thanks, mate.
Right, and this should be one from Skull this time. I think you said you've also got Skull, is that right?
Yep.
So you should hear the difference.
Yep.
Let's see what ground shot one for.
Yeah. See, this is what education should be like. Morning. So what am I actually on the elements? So there's one up about yeah.
So I was just going to try something to see what if I disable a car by weapons? Does that give you? So you're firm, I'm going to try to shoot.
Yeah.
Firm, I wonder what it gives you. If it gets the same. Look, it's playing up. Yours is playing up. I think the same. I don't know if it does a message.
Because I'm not tracking it. I'm just tracking the off
Track.
track one.
What does it do to that if it's shot by weapons? I actually, we don't get a.
This is separate feed, right?
Right, of course it is.
That's okay.
Alright.
So what I'm going to do, I'm going to disconnect from that. It's not really going to affect the visuals because I'm going to get Louis to I'm going to pump that data into a Steam as a service,
Right.
and then Louis can do some other BI stuff around it.
Okay. Just checking with Stuart, he doesn't have, set up
Yeah.
with the ambulance?
Yeah, he said that parents had banned.
Yeah,
He sent me an email.
I said to him, okay, so I sent him a text and email today, this morning,
Yeah.
looking for it, and he said, but I said, well, if it's close at hand, that'd be handy,
Yeah.
but if it's not, well.
So can we will it be shown?
Yeah.
What am I doing? Can you hook up with the printer?
Yeah, so I'll get my laptop up, and what we'll do is I'll just let you go, or I guess we'll make out a bit of what we know need to explain.
Yeah.
Get the PowerPoint service online.
Just PowerPoint, and we'll probably need to capture some video.
Yeah.
Just even on the track and pulling power off, some context of what there, because we won't be able to do it live there.
No.
This is just text for live.
And then show, from there, then show the phone ringing,
Phone
and
ringing.
hearing the sound, and
Yeah.
hearing the voice.
Yeah, so it'd be easy because depending on time frames, then actually, we'll start there. We'll clip all that stuff together, and then if we get time after we've got footage and you're doing post-production on that, then if Louis and I come through with some BI stuff, we can tackle it.
I'll get one I can do it off my phone, I can save all the files, and then what can dig them in PowerPoint type thing.
Yeah.
So, I do spreadsheets in PowerPoint, that's what I'm on. Very boring. So, but I'm sure we can make something very sexy.
So I'm gonna have a quick. I'm gonna grab some. Actually, the 10 counts went really quickly yesterday.
Yeah, but most of them, except for one that sat there.
Really?
Yeah, no one wants to have the last one. They don't want to be the one who said, I ate the last, And it's like, it sat there, I thought, well, goodness. That was funny. I think I've got to do this. I'm going to send a message.
Yeah.
To say, Franco and Sarah are watching you, are watching from Adelaide, watching. Can we get a hello from Patrick, Mark, and Jason from the main room live stream?
Over here. Hey Franco. Hey guys. Thanks for watching. Right, so it's actually quite cool that we're actually seeing people outside the TADHack actually joining in. I know my family, when I got home last night, was actually watching and thinking, what is Daddy doing and where's my Lego? So thank you for coming in and watching this. It's actually much appreciated. That's actually more than just the TADHack community. It's actually broader than that. So much appreciated.
Yeah, so don't forget your guardian will call you from time to time today. So
Be on the listen out, listen to what your guardian tells you.
And Franco, I'm doing this because I love you.
See you later.
Thanks, guys.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's even his daughter dropping off and they get the messages and everything there. And then so he said, well, can you say, how are you? This is good, very cool, right? Cool. All right.
Because I was going to go downstairs with Lloyd, do a bit of brainstorming on the BI stuff.
Yep.
Before I do that, you gotta pretty much just, actually one thing I haven't showed you is, well, come in here.
I love you guys too, he says.
So what we're getting is all these workflow instances. Basically went into the home page. Come back to the slide. So I've got two parts. I get the SMS part, which is a business rule and talking to Tropo. The other part is actually a human workflow task,
Right.
and then actually sending that information off to LinkedIn. Right. So at the moment, we've got all these instances, all these human workflow tasks, so like banking up. So what that allows them to do also a little more is approve social media. Right. And then from here, let me go back to the top itself. That's going to be easier. So I can actually see the cool button. So, choosing ground shot, your car is going to run the track again and take that action if that's the time. Right. Shutting up to the listening. Actually, that's the point. I'll do. Right. So when I do that, I'll submit that. I'm now there, if I come back to the moment, regards to flash. My update. So then you're in the so hang on, you can probably split. Go ahead and do this up front. And so basically, so that's it. And then again, the same stuff you need to do. And then we're kind of I'm basically down to like after the second one, it doesn't name your and you're in the top what is it called? So you're in. So I might be getting all these things come through because I must have all this. Well, I've used the human workflow components so I'm not. I can actually just build it on if I need to, but not just want to use this band. So I can just so basically just add up here. Yeah. Right, so that's kind of why that was sort of like, so I'm happy to grab some screenshots of the flows and stuff like that. Happy to.
Well, I was just thinking like similar, I'll put in pictures like this type of thing.
Yeah.
You know, make a little insert so that,
Yeah.
you can share that.
Yeah, okay. I'll do that, then you got Oracle Docs on your laptop?
No.
Okay, no, that's fine. Actually, you got it installed. That's okay. I'll package them up in an email. And actually, I'll number them in terms of what order that they go through. And then,
we're gonna put it together.
Yep.
And then, from that, put your phone in the messages something like that.
Yep. Yep. Yeah. Frankly, you're hilarious. You're hilarious, mate, especially when you wear a dress. Okay. The first one? No, no. Cool. Okay. I'll get some straight up here. So Patrick, what I might do, I'll just chuck them. So I was going to use the standard 16:9 Oracle template. I'll just chuck them in there one page at a time. Then you can just go from there.
All right, and I'll get some footage of this so I can add them to it.
Yeah.
All right, you sure that? You okay with all
Yeah,
of it?
Yeah.
Mate, you've done a fantastic job. That is really good. It's nice. Actually,
It's actually fun.
it's something worth adding all the time because I think, that shows it. Then let's bring it real again to the type of thing that people would like to see. And wow, you know your audience well enough, like Franklin and Ryan, close people like that who are there, they've already put it in. And look what happens when we take thermo off, and then he gets a phone call and so you might need to take that. And he answers it. And here's the message from the camera.
So I was talking to the couple of super guys in Sydney, actually, the product pre-sales people for Spark and Tropo.
So we haven't got this for the weekend.
So this is, I've got this account. I've actually put my credit card on this account, so I can keep popping it up.
Right.
But one of the things that's useful though, we started talking about now, this ubiquitous type communication. The fact that it's actually a telephone is old school. There's otherwise engagement, so physically, tangibly, voice, that, speech and text type stuff, audio conferencing stuff. But then you got all your social media, your
That's
web.
that.
Yeah.
The other, I guess the other one was, do you know, years ago, I actually had the way to send SMSs. There was a private SMS, like a way to do SMSs. So we are trying to do it together.
Yeah.
That was inside Oracle originally. There was something there.
Yeah.
There was someone in the US, I'm sure they know someone in the US who might say, yeah, we still have that. You might end up sending SMS messages.
Yeah.
From that. I don't know if it was that John Calcone, you're from the who was the guy involved with Oracle Direct, the Oracle Direct in the US sort of thing. So,
Yeah, I've got footage from the other one put up on screen.
is that live?
Oh, that's day one.
Day one footage. All right. All right. So anyway, that's what I'm saying. You got your own account doing that sort of thing, but there might be a way to get it on. No, as I say, so you might want to get it. See if we can find out how Oracle is an Oracle.
So it's nice. It's nice that it's actually on your phone. It's like, oh, hang on. Someone's phone bang goes in. Pop. That's real.
Yeah.
So I thought for just even this weekend, short term bang, get something done. Actually, do something. So with this, we can do the hack as the demo and all that kind of stuff. Pull the footage together. Just like what Frank and the guys did last year.
Yeah.
We got that as evidence. It's good that we got that.
How do you want to show yourself getting the message when you actually do get when the message comes through? I'll take the thermal off, I'll film that, can't film it off. I'll quickly I'll go to that screen so we can see the tick over one. And then from there, it'll be a matter of going to see you.
Yep.
Right. Probably for the second time, so then I capture it from you getting the call.
Yeah.
And someone like here to get a coffee or something.
Yeah.
So that type of thing.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Feedback. Feedback service. Oh, that'd be really
That's all.
yeah.
Is this all the junk food we have left?
Sorry.
Is this all the junk food we have left?
There was nothing else in the so I don't know where.
Well, there's all pizza, what's not pizza? No, there's still all these bags. There's some big bags. No. They were all, it was like big bag, I have one bag of snakes yesterday, that was all.
Unless I put in.
Oh, did you?
There we go.
Did he get saved? I went back to the parking. I just went through the Coles website and just whatever was cheap, and special, buy. What did you go up to last night?
Oh, I've been 20 visits and that.
They went out to Castle?
Yeah, actually, no, you know what, with, Armsley Mine. So I noticed that James and Ben, I was up there and walking there.
Nice.
Right. Which is a very close. Still no, it goes away. Taringa.
Oh yeah, that's out near my one.
Oh, okay.
That's in the western suburbs.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So her, she likes some nice ribs and, yeah, baked potatoes, salad. It's nice. What's the rugby? What was on last night? The
Rugby league, yeah, the Australian New Zealand game in Perth.
Yeah. That's just, yeah.
We've all been there.
I'm thinking, that's
Really,
weird.
coffee, yeah.
You know, I don't know why you was living with Australia.
Rookie mistake.
Oh, our machine is, you know, it does the old, it's called, pop it, it grinds at least.
Oh, yeah.
I really wanted to clean the machine out before I use it.
Yeah, that's what it's. You've just done it for everyone. You're taking one.
Take one for the team. Let's see, I'll probably.
Do we need to put up? Let's have a look at it.
Oh, he's done it, put on everything's updated and everything's done.
We just got a little espresso machine in the office. It's quite handy for that, just, you know. It's a good way to make acceptable coffee without all the mess.
Yeah. That's something to go. Which takes a few minutes. Not that it should be done.
Well, shit, this is great.
It's a Foyer. I did it yesterday with that much coffee in there, and the milk stopped in time. She said you have to press the stop again. So if you want to move milk to stop it, I'll press the same button.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it makes it just nice and to the top.
Let's do that. Oh, perfect. Just like a walk one.
So I knew that.
Except it doesn't cost $5.50.
Right.
I mean, it didn't make it to me. It's actually fine. I do like, I try and drink less and better coffee. Just grab that. Grab what's available. Yeah.
Shoot. It came off as it was doing the, it's really quick. It came off as it was doing the check.
Yeah.
Like it literally did a turn and went off. Sent him a message straight away.
That is cool.
Yeah.
Hello.
Good morning, how are you?
Good.
Yeah, good, good.
They didn't magically fix it overnight.
No, we have a different approach to it ourselves now, so we're, you know, in regards to going to the drum, we're doing something about messaging, you know, we're just changing our process flow, so. But
Seems like
no,
everyone's doing messaging related stuff.
something like that, I imagine, so, but,
To be honest, messaging stuff is probably one of the lowest hanging fruits.
yeah.
So it's probably the most doable thing. That's why.
That too.
That's what I'm doing. So.
Yeah, yeah, well, we just thought we'd just do a little, like, an enhancement on this environment. But certainly want to be of input, with some of the issues you, had to try, well, you couldn't be overcome. I know that, we'll get the town managers there, get something in common, so we know, because that was what we thought was really, really valuable. If you've covered a few things, you know, for us to look at, think, okay, well, someone tried to do this and they just couldn't. Why? Because we've found, you know, you know, someone's put together thinking it's going to be possible. It'd be great to understand.
No worries. Probably a bit time pressed this morning, but afterwards.
Yeah. Oh, no, for sure. Now, from a room perspective today, we've got that one there for people doing some video. If you have to do a video, so it's going to be a bit out of limits, but if you're doing some sort of video of like something where you're doing something like that, you can use that there. Otherwise, feel free to fill up a spot somewhere here and outside of that room and things like that. Like boys at the guys' room there, or some guys' room. But, yeah. You're working on your own? You're doing something yourself now?
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah, it's actually working really nice. I'm happy with it.
Oh, cool.
I haven't slept yet.
Oh, okay.
I come to every hackathon I'm like, and they go home and they tell me to do things proper. But because of the whole disaster yesterday, I didn't have time to sleep.
Sorry, mate, sorry.
That's not your fault.
No, but still.
Yeah, no, not your fault, but yeah, anyway.
That's it. No worries, guys, we'll head on in.
How's it going?
Hello. So no one's
picked up a little black USB looking thing. Have that little Wi-Fi thing. The one I bought yesterday, I can't find it.
Oh, I had to say no. I know the gentleman here is using our Bluetooth dongle, the one that I have on the thing. That's the only one I saw in his machine too.
Oh, that's fine. He's not trying to speak. He'll be in soon.
He'll be in his main hole that he saw it. Let's put it on the side. Is that the chair you're sitting in?
Oh, I was just sitting here.
Just check it. It's more down the side, like the edge of the chair.
Oh,
Cushion.
I'll probably just misplace it. I can't remember if I had it at home or not. Because I was trying to find it early this morning and I couldn't find it. So I don't know whether to misplace it.
That's what I'm saying. So if he may have picked it up, that's all. Just if you, because I think you did you leave before you left?
Yeah.
So he may have seen it on the table, he's left and picked it up himself, so he'll bring it along. Yeah. Good morning, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, good. Just getting started, so your timing's good.
Hey Tess, how are you? Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. Sorry? Oh, okay. What's up? No? Oh, so do you know which you would, of course you wouldn't know which one. Oh, okay, someone must have hit redial. I think it's your number that's the license number. Okay, cool. No issues. Okay, cool. Okay, thanks. Okay, bye.
If that's okay.
Yeah. And it's, and look, this, and the other battery, and they're both, and that battery is just charged this morning for us. Thank you. Just to charge it. So it's best to have it like that, that way you've got the full. What usually after the battery out of it? You just after the battery. Oh no, that battery there is fully charged.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah, I had it fully charged this morning.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, right.
Oh, so they each come with 2 batteries.
Well, I think so, I'm not sure.
I don't know.
No?
They come with one battery, but I got 2 extra battery packs.
Battery
So there should
charge.
be 4. Yeah.
Okay, good. I'll return it, don't worry.
What? Okay. You got video of the stream analytics stuff, right? So we don't miss, when you do the,
I'm going, I've got so far a picture of it without anything there.
okay,
Just grab one of those.
okay,
Now I'm gonna have it on there as I take the car off and you'll see it come up.
okay, no, that's cool. So, on here,
Mhm.
I'll just plug this in, give you a virus. Awesome.
You should see what I'm putting onto yours right now.
See, I'm protected, right? So, I'll give you that. Yeah. Put it in. Yeah. So what I've got, this is actually part of the presentation I was going to actually do, but neither here or there. Right? Talk information and stuff. There's some imagery that I've actually grabbed from all that my corporate stuff, right? So my girl public sector. Well, let's go by that. It's all cool. One of the things, what we're trying to do is, all this stuff, right? That being said, whatever. Now Coach actually put some slides together.
Yep.
Does that have? Right. Car, Bluetooth, up to the cloud. We've got some workplace stuff, we've got IoT stuff happening, we've got integration stuff happening, approval processes and car crash on the bin. And also we're doing the truck-based stuff. So, that. I've got, that's the process file.
Yep.
Stuff. The form.
Yep.
The business room.
Right.
So I cut the phone numbers off. That's the form.
The approval.
For the workflow for the social media stuff. That's the social media popping up. Just a screenshot, Dropload, we're using Dropload for that. We wrote some code. This is actually just some debugging code. And that's the session information coming out, making a call and say, hey, so your car guardian has been detected coming off the track. Please, so that's what we're doing. So I reckon combining that with some of the stuff with the footage.
Yep. That's in the phone. So we'll go through it as a story
yeah.
now, and then it's a matter of just showing you a couple of pieces of the process.
Yeah.
Rather than doing a live demo. So it's a matter of I'll have the screen showing, I'll show like a picture of a race or thing coming up, that bit.
Yeah.
I don't know if I've got any software objection as he splice a video. We'll see what I've got.
Yeah.
I'll have to,
There's
what do we have now?
There's a good free one which is that they were wanting to do for this called OBS. I don't know what it stands for, but I did find
My daughter's got some register on her iPhone.
yeah.
She has
So even the Microsoft stuff, the video capture stuff, looks fine because yeah.
Oh, I've got well, that's it. That has it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I only use it for the sound. I only use it.
So you got the
It does
video.
video stream too, of course it does. Yeah, I only use it for that. Yeah, I've got audacity on that.
Yeah. That'd be right.
All right, then once I've got that, I'll have the bits and I'll show you and you can say, yeah, that's it. If you've missed anything, then I think I can add it.
Cool.
That shouldn't be bad, but really the demo won't go for very long.
No, so it's only 3 to 5 minutes.
Yeah. I'll get your, I'll do that, then I want to be.
Yep. I'll going to go down and chat to Lloyd about the BI stuff. I'll leave my phone with you.
Oh, no. You're going to be there on the, you're going to get a casual picture of it. Yeah, copy or something like that.
Yeah.
And then up. So I'll get past all these other bits over the last one.
Yeah.
We'll just make it so that
Cool.
your phone's on ring. You're
Yeah.
sitting there, sitting there having a coffee or something, or some phone rings, and you put on loudspeaker.
Yeah. Cool.
That's your answer, son.
Cool.
All right.
Take Tim on.
I might have a Lloyd.
Oh, I don't want my hand.
They're true. You might not like that. press firmly on it. Now, where you off to?
Yeah, back to this sculpture you guys are out there.
Are they there?
Yeah, they're there.
I don't know if I can get you there. What I'll do,
Yeah.
go to the ground,
Yeah.
down there are the guys,
And go up again.
and then get them to see if they can get you there, because I think I can make it ground anyway. Alright, so lift forward. Yeah, sorry, I think they'll have the permissions to let you into it. Right. No, right. Well, we'll be able to put the extra because we've got the extra spot back off the water in it, so our graphs are showing everything, and we're not running up the ground. And we're probably grateful that we're not running up the ground, otherwise we'd have something good to not get from the yeah. But we're filming and doing some other little bits and pieces of it. We've got a to use some of the data that's coming from it. I'm trying to right, so it's interesting. all trying to stop it. So he's had weapons because they're robots against it.
Oh, yeah, well.
Actually, 2 robots and that one's just gone half speed. And I've got this red one trying to see if it can maneuver. And yeah, it's nice one. So I use it to take a picture. Victory to go, rules a robot. But I didn't do any shooting, whereas the robots do shoot at you when you're playing. So if you're not shooting back, you're gonna pay the price. So yeah. So one little bit I get is a starting takeoff, and that's about it. And I think I might get a video footage on it. So.
Can I look at the laptop? Because I've got older models and I just want to look at the newer models.
Yeah, go for it.
See how bright it is.
Yeah. It's actually pretty good. That's my daily work. It's not a lot of not quite. I'll keep put in storage space, to be honest. So,
Well, it's a big fan. You should be able to expand in the storage.
It's just what it came with. So, yeah, I guess that, so I think much less of either.
Is it touchscreen?
No. No. You know, don't worry, I'll do it all the time. I like this.
Yeah.
It can flex right back.
Yeah.
Which is really good. You know, that was my previous, and I think it went right back, it didn't.
Oh, this is.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, got a little thing to cover the camera up. So you go like that, and because we do a lot of conferences or regular work, but some of the services start up straight away using the camera. So, have that happen.
I like something like that.
Yeah, that was very good. I don't know where that got chucked in it, but yeah.
Oh, you moved the camera.
What's that?
You moved the camera.
Oh. Who called you?
No, Louis was on the screen.
I had to video that. I just had to screen the processes going, and I couldn't. And, I completely forgot. I remember yesterday I was on this one here, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And so I didn't even think about it when I went there.
That's right. That's cool.
So I'll restart. I'm going to restart the race. Yeah, all good. Okay.
Yeah, I heard it. It was right at the bottom on the back. Question, so do you take buses normally? Do you have a bus route that you normally take or something?
Oh, I'm on that.
Adelaide, that's right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what were you thinking? Bus route?
Yeah, just what bus route do you normally take?
370. Well.
And what station from?
So Chermside.
Oh, there's probably a few of them, but anyway, close enough. 370, did you say?
Yeah, 370.
And let's go inbound.
No,
yeah.
Actually, I was just trying to be now.
I'm going to put a natural language interface in it.
Cool.
Really put a concerted effort or
so it goes zip tile, just look it up and it goes from.
That's cool. So the other one is the 379, which is range.
Yep. So
from Anderson Street.
Anderson Street, and what was it, sorry?
370.
370 as well.
Yeah. 379, sorry.
379, I'll go outbound.
Yep.
I've tried it with a couple, and it seems to work with most of them. The spelling's quite particular, because it's got to match exactly.
Yeah.
Otherwise it doesn't pick it up.
Yeah.
I might just try Anderson. Because it goes to the actual page of that route and then scans it, scrapes through the whole page and tries to find it.
Yeah.
Or so you're using exact string matching.
Yeah. So I haven't implemented it yet. Yeah. Is that what the stop is called?
No, that's the closest street.
Okay. I'm gonna implement this thing. It's kind of like I can't remember the exact algorithm, but there's a library that does it for you in Python where it finds the closest match to a list of things.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to pull all the stops out of the page from that route and then try and match the closest things to it.
Yeah.
But anyway, it's working pretty well.
That's pretty cool.
I'll keep trying to race it. I don't feel that. I'll just keep making sure I hit it off the 45 racing. I'll do the car action.
That's right.
Francos keeps coming. phone actually does come on from time to time. I feel bad. Not really. Right? But, I must have just called.
Franco, we have no control over the cars as far as when these things actually come off the track. Right? So when that thing happens, I don't know what happens, right? I'm so sorry.
All right. No, that's cool. Well, I think I've got the bits of footage. I'm doing all this pricing.
Cool. I'm going to take my laptop downstairs. I'm going to do some. So we're actually going to take the screen. We're not actually going to integrate it. I'm actually going to create a data doc on a flat file. Louis is going to use DVD, so the visualization of this one, and actually do some lineage and chronological and time slicing stuff.
Okay. No, I just did a video. I'll put it in the end so you see that. And the only thing I'll do is probably get your piece. Let's now pay the time for that.
Yeah, why don't we do that?
So,
So,
your thermo, aren't you?
yeah.
Oh, what you're doing is sitting there, sitting.
So why don't we put the camera up somewhere, right? And we take we'll let it run, and then you're up here doing the.
Yeah. I'll just put the pauses at the moment. Where do you want to sit?
Let's sit over here. It's got good light. So,
Look, you've only got 10 seconds, mate. Okay, then I'll come here, press that.
Yeah.
Because it's going to be after that comes off, after you see the event, and then I'm going to have you. To make it so nice and out you. And then and just be ready to go to speak.
Programming language.
They're all my favorite.
I have a lot of them.
what's this? What's on my phone? Let me answer it. I should go pick up my car. That's cool.
Yeah, no, I'll shorten the bit where we just waited a bit at the beginning.
Yeah.
And I'll have a listen and see it come on. See?
Oh, yeah.
Very good.
I went to the Franco School of
That is fantastic. Yeah, it does have logo all over the way you actually do it, but
I still remember the first call from last year.
When you get
that was funny.
That was fun. How long do you reckon?
Well, I had I'm sure because I've got this meeting and it's been super fast.
Okay.
It's all good. I don't particularly like them, but it's just like a, I used to have them. I know you would do it.
Yeah. Okay, cool. I didn't even name.
Yeah.
What? We know.
And just get that.
Again, going to next.
if young people take it seriously, you'll be like it's serious. Just like God's popular day names and just like pick a random one out of it.
I think it was Twit. Yeah.
But, oh, they did really close though when it comes to trademarks and IP.
But it's all
Yeah, that's like using the name that you've got, then you see that others anything close.
It was pretty cool.